Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to share a story with you. It's not about magic or adventure, but about something just as powerful. Learning English, one small step at a time. This is my personal journey, and I hope it inspires you to start yours. I grew up in a small, cozy home filled with a lot of love. My father is a hardworking man who taught me the value of diligence. He always says, "Son, hard work can change your life." My mother is the heart of our family. She takes care of our home and always makes sure I have a quiet place to study. She believes education is the key to a brighter future, and her support means the world to me. My school is small, but it's a wonderful place to learn. I especially love my English class. My teacher is incredibly patient and kind. She always tells us, "Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each mistake is a step forward." Her encouragement made me fall in love with the English language and gave me the confidence to practice every single day. So, what does my daily practice look like? It's simple, really. Every morning, I spend about 15 minutes reading a short English story out loud. This helps with my pronunciation. After school, I write down 5 new English words I learned that day and make sentences with them. In the evening, I practice speaking. Sometimes I just talk to myself about my day in English. Other times, I watch English cartoons or videos to improve my listening skills. It's fun. One of my favorite parts of the day is when my father comes home. He asks me to tell him a story in English. At first, I was shy, but he would listen patiently and smile. His encouragement boosted my confidence so much. He would often say, "You're doing great. Keep going." To stay focused, I have a special Sunday ritual. I sit down with my notebook and plan my English goals for the coming week. For example, one week one might focus on learning 30 new vocabulary words, and the next, I might aim to practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. This helps me track my progress and stay motivated. My ultimate dream is to speak English fluently, so I can travel, meet people from all over the world, and share stories with them. I also dream of becoming an English teacher someday, so I can help other students just like my teacher helped me. Of course, it's not always easy. There are days when I feel tired or when shyness gets the better of me. But then, I remember the inspirational words from my teacher and the proud look on my parents' faces. I think about my dreams, and I find the strength to keep going. So, to everyone out there who is learning English, I want to say this: don't give up. Start with small, simple steps every day. Read a little, write a little, and speak a little. Embrace your mistakes. They are your best teachers. Most importantly, believe in yourself. Your journey might be long, but with consistent practice and a positive mindset, you can achieve your goals. You can learn to speak English fluently and open up a whole new world of opportunities. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope it has given you a little bit of motivation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more stories and tips. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.